What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's talk about healthy drinks. You saw my channel, you probably saw a review a long time ago. I subscribed to the Anthony Robbins green drink mix, which was a powdered drink, mostly alfalfa and wheatgrass and some other things like that, and kind of tasted like grass, but you kind of get used to it, and I don't know, it kind of makes you feel relatively good. I was kind of surprised with it, but unfortunately they discontinued it, fairly recently, and they replaced it with something called like the energy drink, and it's all right. It tastes like blueberries, but there's something about that old kind of just more organic, grassy taste that I missed, and so I was on this little hunt here recently to find something that might replace it, and so I found this. It's called Amazing Grass Amazing Trio, and you can see there it's barley, wheatgrass, and alfalfa. Barley grass, I guess. Is that different than barley? And that was really kind of the main constituents of the green drink from Anthony Robbins too. Or in particular, I think you could really taste the alfalfa. So that's just my novice opinion on it. And you can see here that we get this little canister of 8.5 ounces, so it's quite a bit smaller than the Anthony Robbins canister, but this is only $18, so it's actually much cheaper as well. So it has 30 servings, which I would guess is probably about 30 spoonfuls. I did pop the seal off the top and take a quick look at it, and as far as I can tell, it smells a lot like the Anthony Robbins stuff and looks just like it, just a green powdered drink. So the good thing about this is it's supposed to be very alkaline, which is good for you. Certainly you can drink water, but this actually will give you some of those greens in a drink, so it's really convenient, especially for people who are busy. So I'm going to take just a small spoonful of it right here because I don't have a ton of water. Probably 12 ounces or something like that. So I'm going to just take it and put it into this water bottle. See right there. Oh, spoon fit. I was lucky. So I'm just going to give it a nice little stir here. And, smells like it. And I guess alfalfa, barley, and wheatgrass, we're all going to smell about the same, right? So, all right. So you can see, even though I didn't add a ton, it gets pretty opaque green. And the nice thing about this is that you can shake it up, put the cap on there, shake it up. You can even fridge it. What I've noticed is that if you do fridge it or you leave these sitting for a long time, it kind of starts shifting from a little green to a little kind of burnt, a little brownish. Still tastes the same, but that does happen. Definitely smells like the alfalfa. Yeah, you know what? I tell you what, if you are looking for a replacement for the Anthony Robbins green drink mix, the original one at least, this is a pretty close facsimile. And I guess it's probably just the same stuff, kind of the original recipe. There's nothing proprietary about it, was my guess. So it just tastes just like that. If I were to describe the drink, which I kind of did in the original one, it's not like sweet. It's just kind of grassy. Have you ever had a shot of wheatgrass, which I've had before? I don't really like that. But this is a little easier to drink. It has that kind of dried vegetable taste a little bit, and it's not like appetizing, but it's not revolting. I'm not trying to beat up on it. It's just one of these things that it's kind of an acquired taste. You got to give it a little time to try it out and to kind of get used to it. But once you do, and it's a taste that you kind of expect, it's pretty good. And I tell you what, after you drink a bunch of this, it's a lot easier to me, honestly, than water, which just feels like you're overhydrating. You do feel like you're kind of getting nutrients. And I tell you what, after kind of, you can cleanse on this or whatever, but just kind of making this a little bit of a regular habit or routine, it does kind of make you feel better. It's pretty surprising sometimes. Just after drinking some of these for a few days pretty regularly, you start to feel, I don't know, a little more energetic, a little brighter, a little happier. You can also watch my videos. Those do the same thing. Anyway, check it out. I'm pretty impressed with this. Amazing grass. I think it's definitely worthwhile investment in your health. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.